Hey guys, I got a quick repair idea for you here rather than actually showing you the repair. It's something I ended up having to do on this 2004 Chevrolet Cavalier. Had a problem where the fuel filter on this 2004 had never been changed. It was the original filter from the factory, and what had happened is the fitting here, it had been a car in a northeast environment, had just completely corroded over, as well as some corrosion on the fuel line itself. There was just no way to get this off. It was just crumbling apart. And so what I ended up doing is deciding that I was going to have to cut this rather than put in a whole new GM fuel line. What you do is, what I did anyway, was I let the thing sit overnight to depressurize itself. On these Sunfires, Cavaliers, it's not too hard to do that. And then disconnect the negative battery terminal. And then came over here, this quick disconnect fitting that they have on this year. This is pretty simple. It looks like it's complicated, but this one is pretty simple. You put your screwdriver in here right on this ridge. You push down and twist up until this lifts, and then you can take your finger and push it out until it comes out the other side. Then this piece will come right off the fuel filter. On this piece here, due to this problem that I'm telling you about, I ended up taking a pipe cutter. You can get one of these small pipe cutters. I use this guy right here. Just something you get at Harbor Freight. A small guy. You have room to get in here and cut this pipe off down below. Now, to get some more room, what I also did is, you'll see there's this vapor canister. This is the charcoal canister for the evaporative emission control. And this you can drop right over here by releasing this bolt right here. You can drop this guy down, let him sit catty corner on the ground. It'll give you plenty of access space to this area that I'm talking about. And this was a lot less of a deal than repairing the whole fuel line. I picked up from NAPA, I picked up a section of fuel line repair. I think it was about maybe 1.5 feet long. It had the fittings pre-made on it. I used this pipe bender that I've had from Harbor Freight for a while. It works out really great for doing these 90-degree kind of bends that I needed for this. And you just had to carefully measure it off to decide, where you wanted the 90 and how far you wanted it so that it would line up. You want it to be basically the same angle and length as original. It's one of these deals where you measure twice, maybe you measure 3 times before you cut. It'll work out great. And this repair has been fine. I actually made this repair, well, probably a couple of weeks ago. It's not been leaking. It's been really good, and I figured I'd share this with you. It's a really good idea for solving this kind of a problem if you run into it. Hope this helps you out. Thanks again.